In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable mono audio on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, select sound. Underneath output, mono audio, combine left and right audio channels into one. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.